When we think about renewable energy, we think about all of the things that it brings for us. But what we don't think about is the safety aspect of it. Inherently, lithium-ion technology and batteries are safe. However, when you use them at the amount that we are using them now, you're going to have events, and there are going to be a ton of events. And as you get those closer to metropolitan areas and people, you need protection.
If we're going to have this in a populated area, near consumers, hospitals, things like that, you need to be very careful about your strategy and your plan to protect from thermal runaway. If this is out in the middle of a desert in a solar farm or windmill farm, you want to still have a strategy in place to protect yourself, but the strategy you choose will be way different than that if this is in the basement of a hospital.
So what Fike Blue is allowing the industry to do is not worry about the safety aspect of it, but only worry about the advancement of the technology without having to worry about the thermal runaway aspect of it.